What's up, Android fans? Tekken Me is back! Hey, wait a second. I thought Tekken Me had died. I even was planning a funeral for him. Well, whatever it was, Tekken Me is back. So let's get to it! Well, first off, a huge apology to everyone out there for not posting videos at all. But thank you all for sticking with me and not unsubscribing. But now I'm back, and I'm back for good. So let's get started. Alright, today we're just taking a quick look at what's on my phone. So let's lock my phone and check it out. Alright, I unlock it, and I have this regular wallpaper. Not very cool or anything, but I have this really nice widget. It's UCCW, link down below that like button. Alright, so we have the quick little widget there, which shows me the time and the day, and there's a slide to unlock, iOS 7 style. Alright, so you just slide it down, and boom, it's unlocked. Yes, people, the boom guy is back. So here I'm running Action Launcher with a nice little UCCW widget, link down below again, with nice little gestures, and this is Action Launcher Pro. Alright, so if I just swipe, I get to my apps. If I swipe down, I get to my notification bar. If I swipe up, I get to my recent tasks. And if I just tap anywhere on the screen, which is empty space, I get my action bar, which is specific for Action Launcher. Alright, so action bar is basically you can go back to your app drawer from anywhere on the screen. You can go to Google Now, or I can just tap and search whatever I want. And there's the market link, or what they call Google Play Store now. Now I have a nice little trick going right here. If I swipe, I have Swipe Pad, which is basically access to all my favorite apps, right? So I can click on any of the apps, like suppose I want to go to Google Keep, right? Boom, I'm in Google Keep. Now if I swipe again, go to Google Plus, right from Swipe Pad. So it's a nice little trick to have access to all your favorite apps. So the best part about Action Launcher is with swipe gestures added to the icons, you can either add folders or widgets to it. Now check this out. I just swipe it and boom. Yep, I have a folder in there. So I swipe it, I get a folder of apps related to phone. So I have my messages, I have my Viber, I have Hangouts, I have Skype, right? I swipe camera, I get my Quick Pick Gallery, which is a great little gallery, Zedge, which is a great wallpaper app, and I get the Samsung stock gallery. I swipe up on Google Plus app, and I get to my Google apps, as well as social apps. Alright, so I have Google Now, Twitter, which is basically Carbon, which is great for Twitter. And then I have Facebook, I have Google Now, Instagram, Anydo, Keep. Anydo is a great to-do list manager. Keep, which is Google Keep. And I have Evernote, another note-taking app. Google Keep is really simple, Evernote is more complex. And then we have Goal Tracker, which you can track your goals or habits or whatever you want to set, which I will review in my next video, or you guys can download and check it out. And I have Calendar, Google Drive, and Gmail, right? And then I have my messaging. If I swipe up, I get my contacts, which is basically a widget for the messaging, right? I don't use any custom messaging app right now. I'm just using the stock Samsung messaging app. I was using GoSMS in the beginning, and then I switched to sliding messaging, which is another great little app, and then I'm back to Samsung's stock messaging app. So I swipe up from my Chrome and I get another folder. I have Chrome in there, obviously, because Chrome is the cover of the folder. And then I have Google Now, YouTube, Amazon, Flipboard, Pocket, Zite, and Feedly. Feedly is a great reading app. The most commonly used reading apps for me is basically Zite and Feedly. Sometimes I check Flipboard, not very often. And Pocket is right there, just if there's an article I want to read and I don't have time for it, I just pocket it and read it later. Alright, so that's a nice little setup, right? It's very simple, very easy to get, and the link to this clock widget is down below. If I swipe, I have another home screen just for you guys. If you like this one better, you can download this widget. It's another UCCW widget, link down below. Also, hit that like button if you want to see who is the man behind the camera, or should I say behind the phone. Alright, so click that like button and let me know if you guys want to know who I am and what I do and all that other goodies. Alright, so this is Tekken Me signing out. Once again, thank you all for subscribing to me, and keep subscribing and keep watching my videos because more are on the way. Peace. Bye-bye. Tekken Me.
fucking me.